Hi, I'm Charity Lowe, and I'm going to show you how I do my 18 by 24 inch drawings. I'm starting off by making a custom anchor that will be off to the side of my drawing surface, as I do not have space on my clipboard to have the anchor just above it. How to create a new anchor is once you start a new drawing, go into your tools bar, and then on the left side you will see AR, and then you will also see a button that says anchor. You're going to click on that and it says make anchor. And then what you're going to do is just follow the step-by-step instructions how to create one. Make sure your camera is parallel to the anchor so that it doesn't warp. Here, my phone is up pretty high so that it can see the entire drawing surface. And because of that, I am also streaming what is on my phone onto my TV, so I don't have to stand up and draw while I trace. Press the move button so you can place the image exactly where you want to be. Press it again, and then you can zoom in to find details, making tracing so much easier. My first thing I like to do is use a tool called Breakdown Mode. This will break down the image by color value for step-by-step stencils that you just follow along. It helps with practicing shading or just getting a good base for your finished piece. I'm starting off with the lightest sections, working onto the darker sections as I go, and continuing the process until the entire page is filled. Now that I finished that, now I'm going to be using the strobe feature, increasing the opacity to the fullest. This way I can see the differences between my drawing and the reference in real time, playing spot the difference, and then I'm correcting the differences as I see them. I'm just working on one section at a time. This way I can get all the details I'd like, making it less daunting, and it will slowly come together and you'll be surprised on how well your drawing is going to turn out. This drawing is a very special one, as this is a wedding gift for the people who are behind the Vinci Eye App. I recently had the opportunity to meet them in person, which was really fun and exciting. This drawing took me 41 hours to complete. Even though it was a lot of details, I enjoyed every single moment of creating it.